So the lawn, it's growing like crazy. Look at it. Problem is that lawn guys aren't coming. What's today? I don't know. Today's what, the March 29th, something like that. So I guess they're not expecting lawns to be growing. And my neighbor's lawn isn't growing too well. Check out turkeys, of course, are over here. Got a whole little flock. Hold on, I'll show you. A lot of people don't realize Staten Island has tons of turkeys. They're very annoying. This guy's always presenting. But anyway, yeah. Lawn is looking good. I'm going to water these little spots. I still did not turn on the, what do you call it yet? Still didn't turn on the sprinklers. Not really looking to, what do you call it? I'm not looking to water the lawn. So I didn't turn any of the water on up top here yet. I do have a hose for up top of this. I'll have to do it. It's kind of annoying dragging this hose up when I have one right up here. But I'm just trying to fix the spots that need water, because as you can clearly see, the lawn is looking pretty lavish. I just had a couple of these issues here. Like always, you know, there's always those spots. They need to be watered. And I'm not keeping up on it the way I should, especially with the peat moss. That spot there on the little hill, I definitely really want that to grow in. And always up here, let's see if I can drag this. It's kind of difficult. This section over here is really bad, always. It's very thin here. The other issue is this tree has a lot of stumps. I mean, has a lot of roots in this area, so there's not really much I could do. When I was leveling this thing and kind of making it better, I could only go down so far because I was hitting tree trunks or roots or whatever you want to call them. And I'm like, oh, I can't do that anymore. But this whole section, that top section, has always been bad soil, very compacted. So it's always kind of been an issue. Then my neighbor, she doesn't do anything. She's too old, even if she wasn't. You know, a lot of people just don't do anything to their lawn, so it kind of hurts too. I try to fix up that area, at least the areas that I could see. I see my cat's going for the turkey. Go for those turkeys. What?